What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best smartwatches in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with Fitbit Sense, also known as the best value smartwatch available on the market in 2022. Fitbit Sense is designed to put you in charge of your own well-being, to help you understand your body and mind, to make changes to improve your physical and mental health. Like many of the best smartwatches and fitness monitoring devices, this device includes an ECG sensor to detect signs of atrial fibrillation, but it's the Fitbit stress monitoring function that really stands out. The fitness tracking features offered by Sense are also impressive, especially if you want to train using heart rate zones. The device includes a wide variety of activity tracking options, and together, the Fitbit watch and app give you the right set of exercise statistics when you're done. The case is made of stainless steel, giving Sense a superior look. The device sports a small touch-sensitive button on the left. It can be configured for quick access to the apps you use most often. The color screen, covered with Gorilla Glass, is bright, sharp, and responsive. Swiping to the right reveals a variety of settings, including entering sleep mode, which dims the screen and turns off vibration, volume, screen brightness, always on screen, and do not disturb mode. Fitbit Sense offers a maximum battery life of 6 days, but frequent use of its various sensors will significantly reduce that time. So will the use of the always-on screen feature. Menstrual monitoring is also available in the Fitbit app, and although it's not recommended for birth control, it shows you when you're most likely to be fertile. All in all, for the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, let's talk about the Garmin Venu 2, a smartwatch specially designed for users looking to pursue a variety of sports activities while donning the elegance of an Apple-like device. In our opinion, this is the best fitness smartwatch available on the market in 2022. Certainly, this Garmin smartwatch has many features we've already seen in other smartwatches such as Vivo Active 4 and Garmin Lily, but the difference is now in the full AMOLED screen which is installed in this new watch. In addition to this, the Garmin Venu 2 is available in 2 sizes, a feature that makes it a much more unisex model than its predecessor. The device is able to offer impressive monitoring of sports activities, as well as stress, sleep monitoring, and best of all, in terms of battery life. Venu 2 is quite a lively and elegant design thanks to the AMOLED screen, with a resolution of 416 by 416 pixels in the 45mm model. It is housed in a rounded housing and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 technology. Swipe up or down the screen to start interacting with apps and features installed on Garmin Venu 2, such as the number of steps, floors to climb, minutes of intensity, calories burned, hydration, heart rate, and more. The battery autonomy of the Garmin Venu 2 is without a doubt one of its strongest points. You can enjoy smart mode for up to 11 days. Wow. If you opt for GPS mode, the battery will last for up to 22 hours. But if you activate music in the same mode, you'll get about 8 hours. Another positive thing has to do with fast charging. This feature is pretty amazing. You'll be able to go from 0 to 50% with a 30-minute connection. Additionally, if you're a swimmer, you'll like this smartwatch because it has a water resistance of 5 ATM. Therefore, you can use the device without fear of taking a shower or swimming. If you need to control the levels of blood oxygen saturation, then you can use a pulse meter, and you'll know more precisely whether your body absorbs oxygen better during the day and night. Next, menstrual cycle monitoring, dehydration monitoring, breathing monitoring, sleep scoring and advanced sleep monitoring, advanced level strength training, animated on-screen training, creating training sessions with more than 1,400 exercises, and much more. Also, you can download songs or playlists directly from Spotify, Deezer, or Amazon Music. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Up next, the Fitbit Versa 3 is the company's best smartwatch available on the market in 2022. A remarkable improvement on the Versa 3 is the built-in GPS. Now, even when you leave your phone at home, Versa can track your location while exercising outdoors. A larger curved screen is also a welcome addition. The 336 by 336 pixel color touchscreen is a slight improvement over the Versa 2's 300 by 300 pixel option. At 1.58 inches, the device is also larger than the predecessor's 1.39 inches. It includes everything you would expect from a fitness monitoring expert: heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, maximum VO2 readings, training monitoring, sleep monitoring, and more. Furthermore, the Versa 3 comes with our favorite feature of motivational training at the moment, the Active Zone Minutes. First introduced with Charge 4, Active Zone Minutes tracks the time you spend in fat-burning zones, cardio activity, or maximum heart rate while exercising. The goal is to get 150 minutes of active zone recommended by the World Health Organization every week. The built-in GPS is an excellent addition for users to see the pace and distance of their walking, jogging, and running activities in real time. Although GPS reduces battery life, it is essential for any huge fitness tracker. Like activity tracking, Fitbit has a great reputation for its sleep tracking tools. It also monitors blood oxygen saturation while you sleep, so if you experience serious changes in the SpO2, you'll be alerted to basic respiratory problems such as sleep apnea. In addition to Alexa, the Versa 3 is compatible with Google Assistant, making it the first smartwatch with access to both major voice assistants. The company notes that the Versa 3 has a 6-day battery life, which is an improvement over the 4 to 5 days the Versa 2 had to offer. Of course, enabling Versa's always-on screen and using GPS will reduce the battery life as well. All in all, with amazing aesthetics, many top-notch features, and a fairly reasonable price, it's not hard to recommend this watch. Good stuff! And here we are with the silver medal and the title of the runner-up best smartwatch available on the market in 2022. The Apple Watch Series 7 completely takes over the Apple Watch Series 6. It's designed to suit your life and exercise routine. Increasing the screen size made a big difference in terms of clarity and ease of use. It's not just the thicker screen that's new and improved. Apple has further modified the hardness of the screen in the aluminum model with an improved windshield, more resistant to cracks. Apple has also increased the overall durability of the watch. It now has an IPX6 rating, which means it's dust and water resistant. One of the main functions of the Apple Watch is a fitness tracker and sports watch. The basic approach is to encourage you to finish your rings based on the goals you set in the settings or every Monday morning. These 3 rings, as Apple likes to call them, are the basis of your daily goal and consist of movement, exercise, and standing. Exercise is actually your calorie expenditure, the number of minutes you have kept your body active, and standing is the number of hours you've been on your feet for at least a minute. In addition to the rings, Apple offers a simple but also incredibly effective exercise app that supports several different exercises, from walking to running and rowing to swimming. There is even a new function to cycling. There is also support for HIIT, yoga, hiking, dancing, Pilates, and more. It'll be difficult for you to not find your type of exercise. All workouts take advantage of the various sensors available, and GPS and heart rate monitors are very accurate when it comes to the data they provide. Introduced in previous models of the Apple Watch, the Series 7 still has a blood oxygen monitor, which can determine your SpO2 level. Apps run smoothly. Exercises are effortlessly recorded for detailed review via relevant dedicated apps on your iPhone. Depending on how much time you spend exercising, battery life will depend, but a busy day running will still mean you have the battery to sleep on. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present you with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, the best overall smartwatch available on the market in 2022. Samsung's new Galaxy Watch 4 watch is comfortable to use, improving aspects of its handling its interface by adopting the Wear OS operating system. It also adds powerful hardware and monitoring of everything you could want. The Watch 4 is waterproof, with an IP68 rating for protection against dust and water, together with a rating of 5 ATM, which means the device withstands immersion up to 50 meters. Samsung has decided to use an AMOLED panel that is especially bright and shows exceptionally vivid colors, greatly appreciated when sunlight falls directly on the watch. The smaller 40mm model has a 1.2-inch 396 by 396 panel, while the larger 44mm model goes up to 450 by 450 with a total of 1.4 inches. Finally, the built-in microphone and speaker allow us to receive and answer calls directly from the watch. As you might expect, we have the main features of fitness tracking, heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, as well as several minor features of calendars, contacts, alarms, timers, and voice recorders. Samsung has added motion controls to accept or reject calls, cancel alarms, or open apps. The company's also improved the detection of people falling with an SOS alert. You can always add new apps, dials, and other tools using the Google Play Store. One of the great novelties that Galaxy Watch 4 has prepared for us is the possibility of measuring body composition with detailed data on the BMI index of our body weight and muscle tissue in order to better adjust our diet and physical activity. Other measurements are common, such as blood oxygen levels, heart rate, sleep quality, and stress levels. Special mention for sleep monitoring, which has improved the reliability and amount of information offered. It is followed by 1.5 gigabytes of RAM and extended storage up to 16 gigabytes for storing more files or music. Under normal conditions, the Galaxy Watch 4 battery autonomy can exceed 40 hours of use, although as it seems evident, this is something that largely depends on the type of use, including GPS. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.